What is skimming a wall? Skimming is the ultimate makeover you can give to your wall. So wave goodbye to all those unwanted flakes, lumps and bumps and say hello to new smooth surface. In this video we demonstrate how to skim plaster a wall. We explain everything that you might want to know regarding the materials and tools and answer frequently asked questions in the comments. Welcome to Bartlik channel. Let us see the tools required for wall skimming. Protective sheet, plastering bucket, mixer drill and paddle, bucket trowel, plastering cork, steel trowel, scraper, small paint brush, and including the scaffold to reach high places. But in this video our scaffold is made from timber to reach heights. Here we start by cleaning the wall, removing any stuck mortar by scraping, and then sanding the wall with sandpaper to ensure the wall is clean enough. This is necessary because if you skim uncleaned wall, the skim plaster won't bond properly to the wall. Here the supervisor steps in to ensure wall is cleaned properly. Now the wall is clean. It's time to prime the wall using PVA. Take a mixture of PVA glue or primer and water. See the manufacturer's guide for precise measurements. Apply this mixture to the wall once the wall or surface feels damp and tacky to touch you, as then ready to begin to add the skim plaster. Mixing of the premixed joint compound. Once the premixed joint compound is thoroughly mixed, then fill the cracks using the premixed joint compound to seal the joints and make surface even. Make sure that all your walls are completely dry before moving on to the next step. Mix your skimming plaster compound or powder. If you're using a quick set joint compound, you will need to mix it with water before use. Mix your joint compound according to the instructions and remember to take note of the time limits printed on the packaging. This indicates how long you can use your paste before it goes hard. Using your mixer drill and paddle to make the process quicker and ensure thorough mixing is achieved. The compound should form a mud-type consistency. Remember not to make too much compound at a time, as the mixture won't wet again once it has stiffened. Put your scaffolding into position. Now you're ready to apply the first skim coat. Starting in one corner of the wall or ceiling soffit, drag your trowel vertically over the wall or ceiling soffit, applying a firm, even pressure. Continue to apply out from the first spot you have covered, so that each new scoop slightly overlaps the last. This will help make sure you don't leave gaps and create an even finish. Be prepared to apply at least 2 coats for a smooth finish. You don't need to wait for the first coat to dry before applying the second. As soon as you have finished covering a wall, go back to the beginning for your next coat, dragging your trowel. If you can see obvious grooves and indents after the second coat dries, trowel a third coat and drag it vertically so each layer is at right angle to the one before. Once the surface is area complete stiff, smooth away any rough edges, bumps or grooves using fine grit sandpaper, 180 to 220 grit. Subscribe, like and share.